if you want to do a text direction, it's always simple. Something like morning devotion need not to be in this form like this. It is, it need to be, you know, straight. So you come up, you see text direction, you can see. If you don't like it like this, you could always change. You can see text direction, morning devotion. I believe it's okay like this. Now you increase the size. You say bold. Now you come up here. This is break time. Break time. So you go up there too. So you highlight. You increase. You make it capital. You place it at the center. Here, closing prayer. So you do the same thing. Now you can always do good. You can see. So this is cool. So now we have what we need. So that's how you create this direction. So when you come up here, it's also good for you. So thank you.